6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hey, how's everybody doing? How's it going? I got all confused about how to speak English there for a second. Chris here, and we are going to be going over this rasgueado pattern. I'm focusing on an index finger rasgueado por Bulerias, and I did that at 176 beats per minute. This pattern is in twos. I have a bunch of resources at the end of the development program on Bulerías Compás and all that stuff, so make sure to check that out. If you have any questions, always feel free to email me. All right, so index rasgueado is fundamental to Bulerias, or not Bulerias, but Flamenco. Not just Bulerias, but Flamenco in its entirety. We're using our index finger as our timekeeper, our primary timekeeper when we're doing strumming. So it's super important to work on this and be able to refine this. It kind of happens, at least for me, it kind of happened over a lot of time. I never really sat there and practiced my index finger rasgueado, but I think you should. So that's why I work on that for you, okay? So this pattern is in sixes, and then the smaller subdivision would be twos. We have that pattern with that pulse where we go 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So we're going with a golpe. Make sure to check that out too if you've never done that golpe with the index finger. So basically we're going 12 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. 12 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. That's hard to count. So basically what I really want you to focus on technically is to keep all your other fingers out, okay? They can move with your finger, with your index finger, have what's called sympathetic movement, but I do not want them tucked in like this. I don't want to see your finger going like this and having a waggy tail there. Keep these out. There's a bunch of reasons for that. Go over the quick studies, and I talk about that. So it seems pretty basic, but to work on it to get that feel is super important. So just, you got to do it a ton, really, just for hours on end with a metronome. 12 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11. Live long day, okay? Work on being able to strum the higher ones, the lower ones, all of them. And then work on getting that golpe with the index finger, okay? All right, so I really, because this sounds so different slow, I'll try it, but let's go at 100 beats. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11. right, that was at 100 beats per minute. It's so good. Like, that's why I'm having you do this, because even right now, me just sitting there going and realizing what I need to work on and going, oh, I'd like to do that better. I'd like that to sound a little bit better, and be able to really think about this stuff, which I never think about. I just play it, and that's not good. Okay? So don't be like me. Practice this stuff. Think about this stuff. And then you won't be like surprised when you hear yourself like me right now recording for you. I'm like, ooh, I want to work on that. I want to get better at that. I want to get better at that. Okay? So here's me doing a public service just for you. And that's about it. Work on this. This is a fantastic pattern. I use this all the time. And I need to work on it to get it better. And then work on this going in and out of the other patterns. We're going to go into a complex way of closing this or any other type of rhythm for Bulerias, but it will go really well with this. Okay, so enjoy the work. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.